Yeah, hello guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. All right, so as usual, we'll be analyzing the market and we'll be looking for entry opportunities. All right, so what I have here currently is XAUUSD. Okay. All right, so and as you can see, I've already made analysis on this pair, right? So we had a break of structure to the downside. So we had a break of structure to the downside from this zone. Okay. All right. So we have a break of structure, and after the break of structure, the market is making. The market made a bearish move. All right. The market, went down a bit. So the market went down and then reversed from this point. So we had a minor support that pushed the market to the upside. And if you look at this level, we have a fair value gap here. And I believe this fair value gap is going to push this market back. Okay, so it's going to push it downwards. So let's just see what happens. Okay, let's go down to the lower time frame. We are currently on the 30 minutes time frame. So let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, switch to 15. All right, so there's a rejection already. We have this rejection. We have the inside bar after the rejection. And now we have a bearish candle, that is indicating a sell pressure. All right. But we need to be careful here because this is the gold market. And with gold, you want to be very careful with your entries, right? So you want to be careful with your entries. I would suggest, we wait for the candle close. We have less than 10 minutes to the end of this candle on the 15 minutes time frame. So let's make analysis, more analysis, while we wait for the candle to close. So um, after the close of the candle, you know, we get to decide if we will be opening a sell position or not. All right, but for now, the uh, the analysis is still not clear. There's no confirmation for a sell yet. Yeah, we've got few, but it's not enough to make the sale decision. And at the end of the candle, we would know if the market is going to sell or not. All right. So by then we can make decision. If we are going to open for a sell. All right. So let's go to the next analysis on the list. So we have SOLUSDT. This is the crypto instrument Solana against the United States Theta. All right, so let's go to the 1 hour time frame and make analysis from there. So on the 1 hour time frame, let me detail the analysis here on the screen. All right. Okay, so I can see the whole of the chart. Let me switch to the 2 hour time frame. All right. Okay, so on the 2 hour time frame, you can see we have this level, and the level is currently affecting the market movement. You see, when the market go to this level, the market, you know, started making bearish moves. So this indicates that we have a valid order block around this zone. Yes. So we had a liquidity purge from this level. You see, and after the purge, we have a market structure shift. So the market shifted structure, though the overall trend is still bearish, right? But the liquidity purge we got and the shift in market structure are all based on the internal structure, right? So the liquidity and the purge are based on the internal structure. For external structure, the market actually came back here to make a retest. All right, the market came back, made a valid retest, and is currently the market went now, just as we have it here, where the market, broke structure, right? And anytime the market breaks, a structure, the market will always want to go back to make a retest, before it continues its trend, all right? And that's exactly what happened here. So the market had reversed to this level, retested the level, and now the market is going down. And trust me, this market is going to go down for a while. Okay, it's going to continue this way for a while. But I can't enter this trade now because this is 2 hour time frame, and the market had already moved far, far from the entry point, right? So this could have been the best entry point for me. Could have entered from here if I saw this trade like early, all right? Or set a sell limit from here and sell down to where the current market price is. So yeah, but let's see what happens. I know for a fact that this market is going to go down, and as I've said, I don't want to enter a market that is already moving. Okay. So I trade, the sniper way, which is getting the entry from the point where the trend started from. So if the market has moved past the entry point, I don't like taking such trade, because if the market reverses and then go back to the entry point, if you check your account during that kind of period, you'll be forced to close your trade. Most especially if you're just starting out. Okay. So, this is a bit of advice for you if you're just starting out, if you're a newbie. Anytime you are placing the trade, make sure you are taking it from the level where, if you set your stop loss, you can hold yourself together even if the market is heading, towards your stop loss. So if you have your stop loss on, you can, take your eyes off the market. Now that you set stop loss, maybe you have $10 and your stop loss is around $8. You want to be checking your trade every time to see if the market is heading close to your $88. All right. But if your stop loss is around $2, yeah, just make the decision. My stop loss is $2. If the market goes against me, there's no problem. I'll just look for another entry opportunity. If you have this kind of mindset, trust me, you're going to make money from the forex market. Right? So that is how I trade. I don't like taking, big stop losses. I don't want to set a stop loss that is too wide. I want a stop loss that is very short and very reasonable, and a stop loss that's going to give me a good risk to reward ratio. Right? So we have a zone here. We are still on Solana USDT, right? So we have a zone here, and if the market, go back to this zone, this would be our entry, and this level here will be our stop loss. So yeah, let's see what happens in the next few minutes. Okay, so we are currently on the 1 hour time frame, and we have less than 47 minutes to the end of the candle. We can also keep an eye on this analysis from the lower time frame. Okay, so this is the 15 minutes time frame, and as you can see, the market is heading towards this level. All right, and as you saw on the 1 hour time frame, what we have here is the order block. All right, so I want the market to buy to the order block, buy to this order block, and then trigger my sell entry. Right. Okay, so let's make analysis from another instrument. All right, we are done with SOLUSDT. Now let's make analysis from BtcUSDT. So this is the Ethereum Classic against the United States Theta. So Ethereum Classic and Ethereum USDT are different instruments. Okay. So there are different instruments. Let's see what's going on with the Ethereum Classic. Okay, so first of all, we want to go to the higher time frame to see if the market is reversing from, a zone. All right, and as you can see, the market is actually reversing from a zone, and the zone is the fair value gap zone we have here. So we have a fair value gap, and the market is respecting the fair value gap. Now let's go down to the lower time frame. This is the 2 hour time frame. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame. Let's see if we have a liquidity purge and a shift in the market structure. So those will be our confirmation for a bearish trend. All right, so we have yes, we got a liquidity purge. So even though it is very little, it doesn't matter. Okay, for this, let's go down to the 15 minutes time frame. Right, so on the 15 minutes time frame, you can clearly see the purge. So now the next thing to look out for here is the change of character. Do we have a change of character? All right, do we have a shift in the market structure? So if we do, then we have the opportunity, to place a trade. Okay, I knew something was missing. That is my labeling. Okay, I didn't label my liquidity purge and my shift in the market structure. All right, so this is my CH, which is my change of character. So the next thing to look out for now is the level where the market would want to reject from. Okay, level where the market will want to pull back to before making the big bearish move. So here we have a fair value gap and another block, and this other block had you know got to this level to actually close the fair value gap we have here. So this is a valid fair value gap. This is the 30 minutes time frame, and we've got a fair value gap. So now let's go to the lower time frame. So you see, it aligned well with the lower time frame. And the next thing to do out here is set your stop loss and your take profit for your entry. All right, so we have an entry point. So we have an entry point. All we need to do now is, just patiently wait for the market to make a reversal. And once it make the reversal and get to this level, this is the level where the market is going to make, is going to start selling to the downside. So this is my analysis on Ethereum Classic USDT. All right. So now let's make from the real Ethereum. Okay. Yeah, let's quickly check on Euro USD. Boy. So we didn't catch this on time. Euro USD is already selling, sold from the predicted price point. So after all of this, and this doji, yeah, of course, if I had seen this doji, I would have entered the trade immediately because doji is a sign of trend confirmation, right? So doji is confirming this bearish move. After the rejection, the second rejection, and the bear cross candle. Okay, so we call this the bear cross because it crossed the bullish candle. So this is a bear cross. And then after the bear cross, we had the doji bearish candle. So this doji is confirming, the candle patterns here, which means that the market next move is going to be bearish, right? So if I saw this early, I would have opened a sell position. So this is the 15 minutes time frame. It's not too late. We just need to wait for the market. Let's see if it's going to make, like a little pullback. And if it does, we open a sell opportunity. All right. So we didn't catch the entry early. So this is the real Ethereum against the United States Theta. All right, so for this analysis, we also have the liquidity purge, which is around this area. We have the shift in the market structure, and now we are waiting for the market to make the pullback and make the big bearish move. All right. Okay, so this is the analysis for Ethereum USDT. So this is BNB USDT. So what we have here is a bit different from what we had on Ethereum Classic and the Ethereum USDT. So this shows that the market is about to reverse. So it already created one candle, the bullish candle. So the next candle is going to determine if the market is going to sell or not. And then we also have the double top above. So from here to this level, that's triple top. So I strongly believe that the market will take out liquidity and sell. All right. So since we already have, analysis on more than one crypto instrument, I think we should make analysis from another pair instead. All right. And gold is making a bullish move. So hopefully this bullish move is going to get to the entry point where we can, enter this trade. Okay, so let me start copying. I think this is going to be a good analysis. Right. So I'm opening a sell position on XAUUSD. If you want to open the same sell, I'm going to set the stop loss. All right. Okay, so let me quickly take questions from the comment section. Eugene, good morning. Okay, can one enter market with 0.30? Yes, you can, but it depends on your balance. Okay, so if you have $10, $20, I don't advise you placing a trade with 0.30. All right. So, but if you have, let's say, around $200, $300, yes. But if you're having $10, $20, up to $50, even $100, I'll advise you stick to 0.01, 0.02. All right. So, Ojege for life. Thank you. All right. So this is the analysis for USD JPY. All right. Okay. Let's check Euro CAD. So I gave this signal a few days ago, and I think that was on Monday or Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken. And you see the market went straight, hit our first take profit around this level. And my second take profit was here, but the market never got to the second take profit before reversing. Okay, and you see, this is why I always advise that you use the first take profit. All right, use the first take profit. Your market will get to your target faster. You don't have to worry about when everybody starts saying the trade has TP. You don't have to worry about when is my own going to get to the TP, because you had set your stop loss, your take profit at a higher price point. All right. So always make sure to use the first take profit. The second take profit, in both take profit, for your own personal opinion. So if you want to use the first one, you can go ahead with the first one. If you want to use the second one, you can go ahead with the second one. But for me personally, I would advise you use the first one. All right. So this is the 2 hour time frame. And on the 2 hour time frame, we have a corresponding trend line. Okay, so you see it corresponds with the market movement. We've had rejections on this zone, and the rejection, is on a straight line. So this can also be considered as a liquidity. Okay, this market can take out the liquidity before making the bullish move. All right. But another thing to consider here is, you see, the pressure, the bearish pressure is very strong. You can see the bearish candles, all the three candles are almost, full. They have just little wick. Okay, so this is how to know if a candle or if a particular trend is having a great momentum. Okay, if they have a strong momentum, you can easily tell, from the candle printed. So with this candle right now, even though the market is on a trend line, I'm not going to open a buy position. And the reason is because the candle here is a full bearish candle. Okay, this is a full bearish candle. I don't want a candle that is this strong. I don't want a bearish candle that is this strong. If I get a rejection here, which simply means that we have buyers that are pushing the market, yes, I can enter for a buy opportunity. But for now, this is a strong indication that the market is going to continue to go down. I want to wait and see what will happen before I actually make a decision. So let's go to the lower time frame. You see, we have a full bearish candle. So if we get a rejection from here before the end of this candle, good for us. Then we just go ahead and open a buy opportunity. But for now, let's see how the candle is going to close. We have less than 8 minutes on the 30 minutes time frame. We have less than 8 minutes to the end of this current candle. Precious Angel, hello, good morning. You're welcome to the live stream. So I guess this is your first time here, because this is the first time I'm seeing Precious Angel on our chat. So you're welcome to the live stream. So what we do here is I analyze the market and give signals when I get a good entry opportunity. All right. And we also have a premium group where I give signals and market reports and market analysis. To join the premium group, all you have to do is fund your account on this live stream. Okay. So if you click on the banner where deposit with benefit is written on, it will take you to the deposit page. When you get to the deposit page, just deposit at least $10. If you deposit $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. And if you deposit up to $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. If you deposit up to $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a one-on-one live trading session with me. All right. All right. And again, if you deposit, uh, funding your account doesn't mean that you are paying, to get into the premium group. All right. You are funding your trading account, but you are doing it through the live stream by clicking on the deposit with benefit banner. All right. So if you do this, it's just for me to confirm that you are interested in joining my premium group. All right. So it's not as if you are paying to get or to be added into the premium group. Okay. And please don't get scammed. Okay. If anybody chats you up claiming to be me, telling you to fund your account through them, please ignore such people. All right, they are trying to scam you. Anytime you want to make a deposit, you want to fund your account to join my premium group, just come to this section, okay? This live trading session. When you come here, you see deposit with benefit banner. The deposit with benefit banner will always be there. Even during weekends, you can just come here, click on the banner. It will take you to the deposit page. When you get there, deposit the amount you want to deposit, ranging from $10, $15, or $200. All right. So when you fund your account, Miss Bella is going to contact you, request for your Telegram username, and then add you to the premium group. Okay. So yeah, that's it. We have few minutes left to the end of our session for today. So I suggest we make a proper good use of it. So let's analyze GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD is one of my favorite pairs. So yesterday I had this analysis on, but unfortunately I couldn't, open the position before the market started making the move. So the market had already, you know, the market got to my entry point before I realized, before had the market had gotten to 50% of my target. Before I realized that the market had gotten to my entry point, the market had triggered from my specified price point, right? So the analysis is still there. The analysis is still valid. We still have this area of importance. We still have this point of interest. I just need the market to get there for the second time and see if there's going to be a rejection, an opportunity to open another position. Okay. So we have this. We also have the one above, which is this level. The market can decide to break the one below. The market can decide to break this since the market had already retested this level. So the market can break this and come to this level. But whichever way, I'm going to get an entry here. All right. All right. So let's quickly check on our other analysis. We had analysis on Ethereum. Yes, the market is still approaching our entry point. So anytime from now, we should be expecting a sell opportunity on Ethereum USDT. Okay. And then we also have the Ethereum Classic USDT, also heading towards our entry point on the 15 minutes time frame. So guys, make sure to keep an eye on those analyses and take your entry when the market gets to the specified price point. Okay. I don't want to set pending orders. Okay. So I want you to watch the market, and when the market provides the opportunity, please open the position. Okay. So our trade on XAU USD is currently giving us a drawdown. Okay, but we took the trade based on the analysis. So hopefully the market will go to our take profit level. All right. So guys, it's already 11 a.m. and our session is scheduled for 1 hour. So we've come to the end of our trading session for today. We'll continue on Monday. All right. So make sure to join me on Monday, same time, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Right? So I'll see you all again on Monday. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. And bye for now.